Is it possible to install WhatsApp on PS4?
Hello, viewers. Today we're tackling a question that many of you might have wondered. Is it possible to install WhatsApp on your PlayStation 4? This topic is quite popular as we increasingly seek to turn our gaming consoles into multimedia hubs.
What is WhatsApp?
Before we delve into the details, let's quickly recap what WhatsApp is. WhatsApp is one of the most popular instant messaging apps in the world. It enables us to send text messages, make voice and video calls, share images, documents, and more over the internet, and is available on a wide range of devices.
Can WhatsApp be installed on a PS4?
Here's the key information. As of the time of this video, you cannot directly install WhatsApp or any other third-party messaging apps on your PS4. The PlayStation 4 operating system, which is a closed system, does not support the installation of non-gaming applications. This means the WhatsApp app, as a non-gaming application, is not supported on this platform.
Is there any other way to use WhatsApp on PS4?
Well, while you can't directly install WhatsApp on your PS4, there is a workaround. You could use the PS4's internet browser to access the web version of WhatsApp, known as WhatsApp Web. However, the experience might not be as seamless as on a smartphone or a computer, and it requires you to keep your phone connected to the internet as well.
What are the alternatives?
There are some alternatives built into the PS4 itself. For instance, Sony's PlayStation 4 includes its own native messaging system where you can send text messages to your friends on the PlayStation Network, PSN. Although it may not have all the features of WhatsApp, it still provides a means of communication while using your PS4. So, to wrap up, while you can't officially install WhatsApp on your PS4, you can make use of the PS4's browser to access WhatsApp Web, or use the native messaging system on the PS4. We hope you found this information useful, and that it helps you understand the capabilities of your PlayStation 4 a bit better. Until next time, stay tech savvy.